Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Tapos ko lang kumain. Ayan. At naisipan ko mag-video ulit. Pero meron naman file. Hindi lang. Iwang-wang yung channel. Sayang naman. Diba? So yun guys, ang gagawin ko today is i-prepare ko na yung aking wait lang. I-prepare ko na yung aking luggage. The big luggage that I have. I bought this in Taiwan. I bought this online in Taiwan while I was in Taiwan. So yun. Let's check. By the way, I'm going to use my microphone or my vlogger microphone. I'll get it upstairs ba. One moment, char. So, ito siya guys. Nakakalimutan ko siyang gamitin. Nakailang video na ako. Nakadalawang video na ako for the past days. Pero, hindi ko ito siya nagamit. So, let's try it again. I hope it's still working. Hindi naman siguro lubat. Lubat ka na ba? Hindi siya nag-iilaw guys. Malamang lobat na to. Ito yung sasaksak ko sa cellphone. And then ito yung kakabit ko sa akin damit or pwedeng hawakan lang. I think lobat na siya. Kasi hindi na siya umiilaw. So i-charge ko muna siya guys. Okay. Try lang guys. Ayun. Gamit ko na yung microphone and we'll check later if mas malakas ba yung boses ko while using this or pareho lang. Okay. So, ayan, di pa nga pala ako nagabagsuklay as usual. And black na yung buhok ko guys. Nasa dulo na lang yung may kulay. And I'm planning to cut my hair shorter. So, yan nga pala si Lucky, guys. Lucky! Lucky! Kiss. Hindi yung pagkain ako. Mike yan, Mike. Mike. Mike yan, Mike. Kainin. Okay? Okay? Kanta na, kanta. Sing a song. Are you hungry? Matutulog na lang daw siya kaysa magsumali sa vlog. Okay? What do you want? Hindi ko pala yung kinain ko, guys. Kumain lang ako kasi kailangan kumain pero hindi ko siya gusto. Gusto ko magkape. Kaso tulog pa yung anak ko. Ayaw kong pupunta ng tindahan. Lucky. Tulog pa si ate, no? Gisingin mo na, dali. Gisingin mo na, dali. Gisingin mo na, punta na doon. Anong masasabi mo? Anong masasabi mo? Anong masasabi mo? What can you say? Say something. Say something. Say hi. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our vlog. If only Lucky can talk, you know. Maybe. We'll do vlog together every day. By the way, yun lang guys. So, wala mag-video ng konti para may update. Kasi again, sayang naman yung channel ko. Nakatiwangwang. Meron siyang ads, diba? So, kahit paano unti-unti, nakakaipon ako ng revenue. And pag dumami, yun, pwede ko na siyang sahurin. Ganun kasi yung policy ni AdSense or ni YouTube AdSense. You have to reach the, they call this, the minimum, which is $100. I wish I am like those vloggers na million yung kinikita sa pag-vlog. By the way, I'm going to continue doing my vlog while I'm working away from home. Okay? Para naman, maiba naman yung location or surroundings and nature of work. Kasi I have a lot of videos while I was working in call center setup, although I can't film inside the production or inside the workplace, but I have a lot of videos or blog while I was working in BPO. Okay, so watch out for my future vlogs away from my usual, routine. It's gonna be a different one, so watch out for it, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and please do watch my videos every day. That's a big help. Thank you. So I'm going to end my video now of my vlog, and please subscribe again to my channel. Bye for now. Thank you.